Franco has to write an essay that answers the question, if you could go back in time, what time period would you go to? What would you want to see? Franco wants to write about going back in time to the 1840s and traveling on the Oregon Trail. In order to write a good essay, Franco needs to organize his information. Let's work with Franco to organize his essay. The first step in organizing your writing is brainstorming. Brainstorming means writing down every idea you have about the topic. Before you can brainstorm, you have to define your topic or purpose. Franco's topic is going back in time to travel on the Oregon Trail. Take a look at Franco's brainstorming list. Franco writes down as many words and phrases as he can think of relating to the Oregon Trail. Then he goes back and circles some of his favorites: wagon train, exploration, survival skills, building a house, new start, and creativity. After brainstorming, it's time to sift through your ideas and outline your essay. An outline gives an overview of what information will be included in the essay and in what order. Take a look at Franco's outline appearing here on your screen. Franco's outline begins with an introduction. He'll then write 3 body paragraphs. He goes through his brainstorming notes and decides which details and thoughts go together in each paragraph. He then chooses a logical order for the paragraphs. At the end of the outline is the conclusion. Let's now take a look at the main parts of an essay. 1. Introduction. Good writing begins with a catchy introductory paragraph. The introduction should grab the reader's attention while stating the purpose of the essay. Franco's purpose is to answer the question about what time period he would choose to visit. 2. Body. Most of the essay is between the introduction and conclusion and is called the body of the essay. Each body paragraph should begin with a topic sentence and include supporting details. Franco decides to write the first paragraph about the journey by wagon train. He states the topic of the paragraph, which is the wagon train journey. He then talks about the survival skills he would use on the journey. He also mentions that he loves camping, so he would enjoy being on the wagon train. His second paragraph is about reaching the destination at the end of the Oregon Trail. He writes about building his house and setting up his farm. His third paragraph is about the feelings and attitudes that make him want to go to the Oregon Trail, the adventure and excitement of exploring a new place, and the opportunity for creativity, being among the first people in a wide new world. And 3, conclusion. Finally, in the conclusion, you should briefly summarize the main points from your writing. Basically, you end by restating the purpose of your essay. Franco mentions the wagon train journey, building his house, and the excitement of adventure again. He says that's why he would go back in time to travel on the Oregon Trail. All right, let's take a moment to review what we've learned. It's important to organize your writing. Once you determine the purpose of your essay, you should begin by brainstorming your ideas, which means writing down every idea you have about the topic. You should then organize your ideas into an outline, which gives an overview of what information will be included in the essay and in what order, including an introduction, body, and conclusion. Finally, it's important to remember to write your essay using orderly paragraphs.